Hello, welcome to the Sypnotix. I'm Alex. It's been quite a long time since we last did a video like this. This is a compilation video of keyboard sounds, typing sounds. There's going to be so many different ones in here. We have a huge backlog since the last video we did. There's going to be mechanical keyboard switches. There's going to be Hall effect switches. So if any of these help you with your decision making, let me know in the comments below. I would love to see which sound you like the best. And also head over to Sypnotix.com. All our full reviews of these keyboards are on our website, also on our YouTube channel here. And hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of these. We're going to have another volume coming out very soon because I'm splitting this into 2 videos. So let's jump into it right now. Well, that does it for this video. Once again, head to Sypnotix.com to read the full reviews of all of these keyboards you saw. And also, I'll have the links to these videos in the description below if you want to check any of them out. Same with the Amazon links. I'll see you guys next time.